Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Ethical Considerations in AI Development. Responsible AI Practices. Imagine you're building a robot chef. Would you want it to only make food for rich people? Ethical AI is about making sure our AI systems are fair, unbiased, and helpful to everyone, not just a select few. As developers, we have a responsibility to think about this from the start. Think of a recipe with a secret, bad ingredient. If the data we use to train our AI, like the recipe, has biases, like that bad ingredient, the AI will learn those biases and produce unfair or discriminatory results. We need to carefully check our data for these hidden problems. A fair robot chef would make delicious food for everyone, regardless of their background. Similarly, a fair AI system treats everyone equally. We use techniques like checking for biased outcomes during development and testing. Imagine our robot chef stealing everyone's recipes. Protecting privacy in AI means keeping user data safe and secure. This involves using encryption and anonymization techniques to prevent misuse. A transparent robot chef explains how it makes its dishes. Likewise, transparent AI systems make their decisions understandable. We can achieve this by using explainable AI, XAI, methods. If the robot chef burns dinner, someone needs to take responsibility. Similarly, we need clear guidelines on who is responsible if an AI system makes a mistake. This involves establishing clear processes and checks. Before launching any AI system, we should always ask, is it fair? Is it private? Is it transparent? Is it accountable? This checklist helps us create AI that benefits everyone. Building ethical AI is an ongoing process. As developers, we must continually learn and adapt to new challenges and best practices to ensure AI serves humanity responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.